Hey, good morning. Keller Williams, Marty Miller with Summit Property Group in Houston, Texas. Coming to you today with a training on smart plans to kind of do a recap of smart plans and then introduce the new open house smart plan as well. So essentially what a smart plan is, it is a sort of mini campaign that you can put a contact on. It is automated and it will feature a variety of tasks, texts, and automated emails as well. You can find the smart plans that are currently available in KW Command by coming to the left hand side here, and it's the fourth icon down, clicking on smart plans. And you'll see right now you have the ability to have smart plans that you have selected to be your specific smart plans that you would use, and then the library of smart plans available here as well. So it's November of 2019. Right now there are only 8 smart plans available, and have all been created by Keller Williams. I do know in the future that we will be able to have the ability to create our own smart plans and then even offer them up for other people's use. So that's why it'll be really important to have your library so that you can make sure, excuse me, your smart plans, because I assume that this library in the very coming future may have anywhere from 20, 50, you can imagine 200 different smart plans to choose from. You would select which ones you want in your smart plans. So essentially I told you the smart plans are a variety of steps. When you're in the library, you can actually see the steps for each one of these smart plans by clicking on View Steps. So this is the monthly neighborhood nurture smart plan. You can see that it basically sends an HTML email first. It waits 28 days, and then it does the same thing, and it's a repeated time. Now you'll want to make sure that you have your contact assigned to a specific neighborhood before you send out the monthly neighborhood nurture as well. The biweekly does the same thing, except it only does it every 14 days as compared to every 28 days. Quarterly call plan, that's going to allow you to put your contacts on a plan that essentially allows you to call them and then wait 90 days, and then it's going to remind you to call that person. And you can see when you hover over each one of these steps, kind of an idea of what it's going to say in your task manager. It'll say call, Marty Miller 281-224-7934 as part of the quarterly call smart plan. So when you start putting people on that plan, it will start showing up here on your home screen within your tasks, and then also within your task manager, which is where task manager go. There it is, tasks here on the third. These would be all the tasks that I would have from smart plans that I had assigned people to. Next, we've got let's go back to the library, midterm nurture, and you can see the steps there. So basically it's going to add to a smart plan the bi-weekly neighborhood nurture, that's BWNN, so immediately add them to the bi-weekly neighborhood nurture. It's going to wait 14 days, it's going to set a task for you to call them. It's going to wait 14 more days, and then it's going to send an automated text. In order for the text to go out, you do need to make sure that you have your Twilio account set up. That is a paid service. However, it is only $1 per month and then less than a penny per text. Excuse me. In order to set that up, you're going to come into your settings here on the right-hand side. Click that drop-down box to get settings, drop-down arrow, and then you would come down and you would find Twilio, and you would click on Connect Account. When you do, it takes you to this sign-in page and basically asks you to put in your name, your credit card number, your address, your email, and then your password, and that's basically going to set you up on Twilio. You can see it charges you $20 a pop, $20, and then when it gets down below $10, it'll charge $20 more. That way you always have money in your account. But based upon how much you're going to spend, like you'd have to be doing some significant bulk texting to get that to rebuild more than once every 2 or 3 months. So back to smart plans again. You saw the library. We are in midterm nurture there. So after that text that went out, it's going to repeat that 3 times. This is a 90-day plan. So you can see duration is 90 days. Long term, very similar. It's just 180 days. You can see the steps here. It's basically going to add them to the smart plan, wait 10 days, tell you to call them, wait 10 days. It gives you a touch task. So this is basically saying, hey, you would want to email them. and you would create your own value emails there. I do believe in the future that those emails may be kind of set up for us, but for right now, you would have to create that email and then it would remind you to send it out. 10 days later, it's going to send out a text on your behalf, and then it's going to repeat that 6 times. You can see 8x8. This smart plan, I believe, is on hold right now, but you can look at the steps if you wanted to and see those steps there. The birthday smart plan, one of my favorites, basically 4 days before the birthday of the person in your database, it reminds you you might want to send them a card or a handwritten note for their birthday. It'll wait 4 days to the day before. It's going to remind you to call them. And then on the day of their birthday, it actually says, hey, don't forget to do a social post, and it sends them a happy birthday text. Finally, this is the newest smart plan that we have. It's the open house follow-up smart plan. I think it's a great plan, especially for those people, obviously, that you're meeting at an open house. As soon as you put somebody on the smart plan, it's going to send them a text, and it's going to say, hey, contact first name that you put in. Thanks for coming by. What did you think of the open house? And that sends immediately. So essentially, if I were hosting an open house, I would want to make sure that I had internet service at the house, maybe use my phone as my, my tether, if you will, or my hotspot, and then connect my computer to it. As soon as somebody leaves, I'm basically going to then add them to command if I haven't already had them added from a open house landing page, and then add them to this smart plan. It'll wait a day, and then it's basically going to say, hey, you need to send them an email, and it'll wait 2 days and remind you to call them. It'll then wait 3 days and send a text to them. It'll then wait 4 days, remind you to call them. 3 more days, it'll send another text, just kind of checking in with them. And then it's going to wait 4 days, remind you to send an email. And then it's going to wait 3 days, and then it's automatically going to add them to the long-term nurture. So this is actually a 20-day process, or smart plan, if you will, and then it adds them to the long-term nurture, which is 180 days. So it's great that, and I like how this is starting to happen, is that this smart plan actually links to this smart plan. So basically it'll add them to that smart plan as you move forward, or send you at least a reminder. I think it adds them, but if not, it'll send you a task to get that person moved over to the long-term nurture. So that's kind of a run through of the smart plans that are available. In order to add a contact to a smart plan, you would just go into your contact database. You would choose one of your contacts, and you would come over here on the right-hand side. You can see Smart Plans. Click on Smart Plans. It says Quadruple A Seller doesn't have any added. I want to add them to a smart plan, and then you can see this window slides out. You can see my smart plans that I have moved over into my personal library, and then the full library here. And I could say, okay, let's say that this was someone that just came through the open house. Once I click on Select, it tells me, hey, you are adding Quadruple A Seller to this plan. If you have a Twilio account set up, all text messages will be automatically sent from your Twilio number. And it even gives you a rundown of what the smart plan is. I can click on Confirm at the bottom, and you can now see this contact has been added to this smart plan. I added them on 11/7, and it immediately executes a text. So that's why it says date last executed 11/7. And then you can kind of follow through 2 or 3 days from now. You'll see what happens. They start to, start to add more steps to this, and you might see interaction from them going to your site or texting you back or having conversations, etc. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you're all having a fantastic week. Looking forward to an amazing month, and hope you all have a safe and happy Thanksgiving later on this month as well. Talk to you soon, guys. Thanks so much.